In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just collaborating with colleagues, knowing how to seamlessly share your slides in Microsoft Teams can enhance your meeting effectiveness and ensure everyone stays on the same page. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Simply navigate to your file and give it a click to launch your slideshow. This step ensures your presentation is ready to go when it's time to share it with your team. With your PowerPoint open, the next step is to switch over to your Microsoft Teams app. Make sure you're logged in, as this is crucial for accessing your meetings and collaborating with others. Once you're in the app, proceed to join the meeting where you plan to present your slides. This might be a meeting you've organized or one that you've been invited to. In either case, ensure you're fully connected and have all the necessary permissions to share content. Now that you're in the meeting, it's time to engage the sharing feature. Look for your meeting controls, which are typically found at the top or bottom of your screen. In these controls, locate the Share button. It's represented by a box with an upward pointing arrow, making it easily identifiable. Click on this Share button, and you'll be presented with various sharing options. From here, you'll want to select Windows. This option allows you to share individual application windows that are currently open on your device, which in this case will be your PowerPoint presentation. Upon selecting Windows, you'll see a list of available windows that can be shared. Scan through these and click on your PowerPoint presentation. This action will share just the presentation and not your entire screen, allowing for a more focused and professional display. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your PowerPoint slides within Microsoft Teams. As you present, remember that you have full control over your slideshow, just as you would in a typical presentation setting. You can navigate through your slides, animate as needed, and truly engage with your audience. In closing, sharing PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet highly effective way to enhance collaboration and communication during meetings. By mastering these few steps, you ensure that your presentations are not only visually engaging, but also seamlessly integrated into your team's workflow.